Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and we are checking out this from Bebird. This is the Note 5 Pro. It is an intelligent, smart ear cleaning device and it is going to revolutionize the way that you care for your ears. So this hooks up to an app in your phone. It works with iOS or Android. It's very, very simple, super intuitive to connect, and you're going to be able to see in real time everything that's going on in your ear canal. This is going to be perfect for if you have small children that maybe are putting things in their ears and making sure that they're not getting stuck. If you want to see what's going on before you check in with your primary care provider, or if you just want to be able to remove earwax in a safer way. I'm telling you, those Q-tips, no, don't do it. Not safe, not good for your ears. This is going to allow you to actually see what's going on and remove wax in a really, really healthy way. So this is a design award-winning way. You've got your little stand, you charge up here on the bottom. You're gonna see as soon as you take off the top, we are trying to connect, have our light on and all of that kind of good stuff. This has the little scooping head on right now. There's a few different heads that you can choose from. When you take that off, you have tweezers and you can see you can tweeze right here by just like pressing the little grippy pad. It also does have the nice grippy pad, so it's very safe. You're not going to accidentally, go too far or slip or like hurt yourself. It also will show you guys. I'm gonna put this little guy back on. The stand itself is a secret compartment that has all of these different heads. So you have a few different options. This is kind of for more like moisture and humidity. You've got your little scoopers and you've got your different tools, and there are several of each. So you can use this for the whole family. I'm going to demonstrate this next and show you kind of what that app footage looks like and what you're able to do to clean out your ears. I'm telling you, it's going to give you a lot of peace of mind, maybe even help your hearing, help your hygiene, and let you know what is going on in your ear canal. It's a really, really fantastic device. Let's get started. Okay, so let's take this for a test drive. I've got it hooked up here on the app. It is very, very simple to do. And again, we've got that nice light, that beautiful camera, and we're gonna check it out. So we're gonna go in. On here on the app, you can choose your right or left ear canal, and then you can also choose different modes, like whether you're using this on someone else or on an older person or children. You can have like music and all kinds of different stuff. So let's check this out. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna watch this from the app. And if I see anything cool, I'm gonna show you guys. So, wow. That is pretty crazy. I'm able to see a lot of like hair and sebum and all kinds of stuff going on in real time. I'm able to scoop out everything. Let's see. I'm going to take this little head off right here and see what we can see with those little tweezers. Again, the tweezers are nice because they work really, really well. Let's put these in and see what's going on. There we go. That's the shot. Like you kind of have to get past and then look how much I can see into my ear canal. Way deep inside there. And use those tweezers to kind of scoop out or even grab if we needed to. Like if we needed to grab something, we could. So you can see that, how that's going down. Really, really fantastic. Next, I'm going to use this little guy. I like this head right here because this is more for like moisture and humidity and like oil and stuff in your ears. And we're going to go over and check this out on the left side. So you can see that. I'm going to see what's going on. I'm going to switch hands and also show you guys, like, look how that's just picking up all sorts of like oil and dirt. This is kind of like, instead of using a Q-tip, you use this And that way you know you're not going too deep. You're not ending up with like cotton in your ear. You're not ending up with anything damaging your ears. So much healthier and safer, and still getting everything nice and clean, right? So let's check this out. Kind of gross, but better to take care of this than it be inside your ears, making you potentially sick, or you know, causing you to not be able to hear as well. So I'm gonna try to go like kind of past, like going in there really deep. You can see there's like some wax there. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but we're really getting in there and really cleaning out my ears in a way that's just not possible with anything else. And you're doing it all with a really cool device. I encourage you guys to stick around for the end of the video. I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show all the accessories and everything up close. And then, of course, I'm going to encourage you to get to shopping. Adios, amigos. Okay, shoppers, as promised, we are going to do a quick unboxing and show you the up close and all the details and accessories for the Bebird Note 5 Pro. By this point in the video, you've already seen this thing in action and you've seen how amazing it is, but I want to show you everything that comes with it and highlight the beautiful gift box, and also that Bebird has won so many awards. They are constantly winning design awards, Red Dot Awards, and just consumer awards for being a really fantastic product. Perfect for if you have issues with ears at home, if you want to switch over from those really harmful and dangerous Q-tip cleaning, and definitely if you have small children that might be prone to putting things in their ears, this is going to be something that you want in your home. Again, beautiful, very like tech and design friendly boxing right here. I'm gonna pull this out. Absolutely gorgeous design on its little not only stand but charging case all in one. Very gorgeous, and it kind of has that nice pin shaped design. Feels good in your hand, nice and well balanced. It's going to have a really bright light, a gorgeous candle, camera. And these ear tips right here, I will show you all of them in action, but you can see that this one is kind of the little like scoop design, and we do get several of those included, so it's great for the whole family. We have this right here, which is great. Take this off and show you. Gives you a little bit of a grip. Feels nice in your hands, and also allows you to control some of those like tweezing modes and everything. This can charge independently with the USB-C. Then we can put it right here. I'll show you this without the protective cover, so you see exactly. It's a really gorgeous, beautiful design. Prettiest ear cleaner I've ever seen. So now let's look at our other accessories. I want to open this the right way. Here we go. You're going to have your Smart Visual Ear Cleaner manual right here to tell you all about this, all about how to do it safely, and of course how to download that app. And nice thing, that app is available on iOS and for Android. We've got our charging cable right here. Like I said, it's USB-A to USB-C. And then down here, how nice is that? Sneaky hidden in the bottom, we have our multiple different kinds of little ear scoopers. So different shapes and also multiple of each. So you can use them for the whole family. This is kind of for more humidity, moisture, that kind of thing, for scooping, and for a little bit of everything in between. Put this right here. That back up. Absolutely gorgeous device from a great company, one that I've been working with for a really long time, and I will tell you firsthand that experiencing how incredible this makes your ears feel and makes your hearing instantly better. This is a fantastic device to have. You are going to want to pick one up. It's very intuitive and easy to add to that app. and it just gives you another data point for your health to make sure that your family, your little ones, your loved ones, everyone is as healthy and happy as possible. We absolutely love Bebird, and this is the Note5 Pro, a really, really fantastic, sleek, award-winning device. I love this one. I know that you guys are going to love it as well. I encourage you guys to check out the description. We're going to leave all of the links and information below so you can go ahead and get to shopping.